Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A73 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, it will look kind of different in all of the other popular browsers. So now if we are on the browser, we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data at the top. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time. Now let's tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Samsung Galaxy A73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.